Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fantastic. Just wanted to show you an easy, cheap, almost free way to get rid of the salt in your car after winter. So all you need is a spray with hot water in it. You spray where there is salt, get the brush and start scrubbing. You might have to do this twice just in case if the salt is too old, couple years old, and it's very thick. Well, all you have to do and all you need is some hot water and a brush. So you see there's a thick one here. I'll spray it again. And I'll start scrubbing. You gotta do this a couple times. You can see it's already starting to dissolve. If your brush is a bit thicker and harder than mine, would be even better. Mine is a bit soft, so yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, that's all you need basically. Let me show you. Like on the other side here was all full of salt. I did it I think like 3 times maybe, and it's all clean right now, as you can see. At the end I'm just gonna bring a vacuum and just clean it up, and that's it. Yeah, all right guys, go get a bottle, some hot water and a brush, and you're all set. Have a good one.